Hello blessed people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a video on emergency items for storms and when your lights go out due to bad weather. I will give you 15 items that are important for you to have around the house during that time. And we're going to start with first, canned food. Make sure that and canned corn. Now you can get like beef stew, you can get beef stew, you can get like chili in a can or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you what I have so you can just for suggestions, you go out and get whatever canned food that you like, but these are just important things that you need to have around the house in case of an emergency, your lights go out or something like that due to bad weather. Make sure you have a manual can opener because you will need this to open your canned goods. Next, you want to make sure that you have water. And my suggestion is everything that I'm showing you, you want to have at least 3 days worth at the least of each item that you have. And next I would say water. Make sure you got water. And here I have Nestle water. I keep water. Also, if they alert you from the weather alert saying that the weather gonna be bad, make sure you don't have to necessarily go get water at the store. You can go fill a jug up with some water, 3 jugs, or depending on how many people in your family at the same time. So make sure you have enough water for each person in your family. Next, you want to make sure that you have batteries. Now, depending on what you have, these right here are just AAA batteries that I'm showing you. AA batteries in here. And I have in here the C batteries and D batteries. And I would highly suggest that you go out and get you some C and D batteries because you will need those for flashlights and stuff like that. Especially like flashlights if they go out. So I suggest you get those. And have you some AA batteries and some AAA batteries just in case for your kids' games or toys, anything that may use batteries. Next, you want to make sure that you have a battery operated radio. Make sure you have a radio. You can listen to the weather and keep up with what's going on, whether it's your phone. Make sure you have a portable charger. The battery operated radio and the portable charger, I'll try to leave a picture up here for it to remind you of those items, but make sure you pick up those too, just in case your cell phones go out, or have some kind of backup just in case your cell phones go out. Remember, I'm giving you this for 3 days. You want to also have a flashlight. And here's mine. I have this one. You can have flashlights. You can have candles. You can have kerosenes, the little portable kerosene. Just make sure you have some kind of light. Incense, candles, flashlight, the kerosenes. If you're using things that you have to light up, like a kerosene, the matches, the kerosene, the candles, or incense, make sure you have your matches or your lighter. Yeah, make sure you have your matches or your lighters, whichever one that you prefer to use. Make sure you have those if you're gonna use the candle and the kerosene or something like that. Sealable bag to keep like your clothing, your wet clothes, any kind of dirty clothes to swap out or something. And in particular, I got the gallon bags. I get these from Dollar Tree. They're the gallon slider bags. So make sure you have those to put your dirty clothes in, just in case. Make sure you have some of these Ziploc bags. The gallon bags for emergency purposes, gallon. Make sure you have some trash bags. Cause you can put you can put numerous clothes in here for like a family, or you can put your dirty clothes, your clean clothes in a separate bag, however you want to do it. Probably your dirty clothes would be more prevalent, but this is just a trash bag. And these are the 13 gallon bags, I think, the ones that go in your bathroom. But this is what these are. So make sure you have some of these. Also, make sure you have a long sleeve shirt, a multi-purpose shirt, long sleeve shirt, and this the reason I got this one. So make sure you have a long sleeve shirt, something long and comfortable, and make sure you get a pair of leggings, or guys, get y'all some sports pants. Make sure you have at least one of each, or, well, I recommend up to 3 days worth. Up to 3 days worth, just in case. Make sure you have it out. You also want to have blankets for each family member. Make sure you have a blanket. You want to make sure you also have a first aid kit, just in case. Make sure you have that handy. With Band-Aids, Tylenol, Neosporin, Bengay, gauze. Make sure you have that handy also. The personal, your hygiene care, like for women, maxi pads. You want to have tissue, paper towel, things of that nature. Your hygiene care, your cleansers for your skin. Make sure you have those items too. Of course, you want to have cash. Make sure you have some cash handy too. And last but not least is a backpack. And this backpack here is actually a lunchable backpack. It has a cooler in here, and the inside of this book bag is it's like a lunch book bag, but it got many compartments to it. So you put your drink there, your lunch here, your pen, pencil, snacks up in this part right here. So make sure you also have a backpack. And the backpack purpose is to already have everything, to help you already have everything together. So if you want to get a compartment bin and just separate for each child, do it that way. But however, that concludes my video today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell to see more content like this. And until next time, I leave you with love, peace, grace, and goodwill. Bye.